So every year, the story about Goofy the Ghost is always one of my students' very, very favoritist. For one, they think that Goofy the Ghost is just so cute. And the second one is they think he's rather silly. So this is Goofy the Ghost, and his special letter is the letter G. So we have a capital G and a lowercase g, and the G says G. Help me. G, 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 G. G is for ghost and Goofy, and the G says G. So here is our story. So Goofy is the main character, and we're going to find out where the setting is and if there's a problem or a solution. So this is the story of Goofy the Ghost. Goofy is a green ghost with glasses, and he lives in a green garbage can painted with golden G's. He is a great ghost because he glides in and out of the garbage can so easily. So it sounds like our setting is around a garbage can, which that's kind of silly. Goofy loves to play the guitar. He plays it in the garbage can sometimes, but he also likes to play it at the grocery store. He makes a gurgling sound when he sings, kind of like this. G, 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 g. Just like the letter G. Goofy, being a ghost, likes to scare people, but he has his own special way to do this. Most ghosts say boo, but not Goofy. He says very loudly, g, 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 goo. Can you try that? G, 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 goo. Very good. That's kind of silly. Goofy is forever gliding off somewhere to scare someone. You never know where he will turn up. He likes going to the gas station to let out a scary g, 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 goo. When people figure out who he is, they say, "Good grief, Goofy." Sometimes Goofy goes to the golf course to scare the golfers with a good, loud g, 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 goo. And the golfers will cry out, "Good grief, Goofy." Sometimes Goofy goes to people's garages to scare them when they come home in their cars. He glides right under the door, and when they come home, he is all ready with his g, 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 goo. They jump in fright and they say, you guessed it, "Good grief, Goofy." Goofy really likes to do the ghost gallop around people's gardens. He goes behind bushes and flowers and is all ready to surprise someone with his g, 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 goo. After doing a good job being a ghost, Goofy happily goes back to his green garbage can, and he always feels great, and he says, "Good night." And that is the end of our story. I know that after this, a lot of my students, they'll pretend to scare their families and they'll say, "G, g, g, goo," and they'll practice their G sound while they do it.